am. This view never gets old. Today is an excursion day. We're still in Homer, Alaska, and we are going to ferry out into Kachemak Bay. We think you're gonna like this one. So today we're embarking on a wonderful trip. We're gonna get on the Danny J and take a ride into Kachemak Bay to Halibut Cove and go to the Saltry Restaurant.
Yeah, looking forward to it. It's something we wanted to do for a long time since we heard about it, so.
We're excited. We're also going to be able to check out Gull Island. We might see some puffin and some other animals, and maybe we'll see a whale or two, we're hoping. There's our boat, the Danny J. Supposed to feed the fish and make a wish. You ready?
Ready, yep.
Yep, get this show on the road.
We got Tip Sandy with Danny chatting with the guy.
Yeah, he's worried about getting a good seat. These are interesting. People are in line waiting to board the Danny J. I got you, babe. According to their website, the Danny J is a conventional style fishing boat that has served as both a passenger ferry for the residents of Halibut Cove and as a tour boat for visitors to the area since 1966. Yeah. That would be nice. There's mostly outdoor seating, and in the back is a cabin that seats 8 comfortably.
Calm aboard with this system that we have here on the railing. But to prevent any man overboard situations, please keep your feet on the deck at all times. Don't look at me. Once we're out on the bay, you're welcome to wander about the boat, but just keep those feet planted. No climbing on these very tempting railings. And we're gonna do a tour around Gull Island, see some birds. We saw an orca out there yesterday, so keep your eyes peeled. It's a little female, she's all by herself. Puffins, Murres, all the fun wildlife. If we see anything cool, sea otters or harbor seals, we'll take a look.
Great. The boat is capable of holding 28 passengers. There's room for 20 passengers up front and 8 in the cabin in the back. Our boat captain is Sydney Bishop. She shares a wealth of knowledge with us about Kachemak Bay, Gull Island, and Halibut Cove.
Gulls are nesting on the breakwater here. You can see one of them sitting in his nest up there.
Yeah, that's why.
sure didn't. I was looking right here.
You want to drop that phone and go bite you.
On my wrist.
Oh, you go, girl.
You know how in a lot of our videos you see this blue strap flying around on a windy day? Well, it sure does come in handy when filming over water. Look here. I got Ted too.
Way out.
Not exactly the picture I had in mind. What's out there?
Harvard? I don't know. I don't know if it's a log or something.
Oh yeah.
Going up and down.
We're heading to Gull Island. I was trying to get a good group shot of the four of us on Danny J, but we were on one side of the boat and Sandy was on the other. So a little Photoshop and I got us together. It's a little choppy. We really are blessed though that the water is as calm as it is. Yeah, no rain.
Yeah, we'll see what happens on our way back.
And when you think of it, there's no blistering sun either, so. Tufton puffins.
That's our lifeline.
The rest of the time they're kind of boring, but not great fires.
We're astounded of the number of Murres that are out floating in the water.
Are also not fantastic flyers. So if there's any eagle activity, they'll come down off the rocks into the water where they're safer.
As we've come to learn firsthand today, Gull Island is a bird lover's paradise. The island is located 3 miles south of Homer Spit, and it's in Kachemak Bay. It's home to more than 20,000 birds, which often nest on the cliff faces of this craggy island.
The larger gulls you'll see are the blackest winged gulls. We saw them as we left Penn Harbor. And the long-necked black ones are the flagged cormorants. And as we work our way around, you'll see
Black-leg kittiwake gulls dominate the island with 8,000 to 10,000 birds building mud nests on ledges and inside the nooks and crannies.
And you're about to get shit on, everybody. Everybody's getting shit on today. And you don't even pay extra. Dang.
I think I have
The formation in the rock.
a number of flagged cormorants out here on this one.
Cormorants, Deb. Thinking of you. And all these amazing birds. Puffing up at that rock. Oh, that was funny. They're talking. Gull Island is owned by Seldovia Native Corps and is off limits to landing. You must be on a boat.
Oh,
From resources that we found, the best time to come out to the island for viewing is in the morning, because in the afternoon during the summer, the Kachemak Bay breezes pick up and the waters become choppy, which we'll experience firsthand. There's that log Bob had spied in the distance. We even experienced a rare phenomenon.
Enough moisture in the air that basically,
Cool.
I don't exactly know how it works, but it's rare and it's cool.
That is awesome. Thank you for pointing that out.
I feel like staring directly into the sun.
Right?
No, I don't at all.
A sun halo. Huh.
We're getting it big.
Rare phenomenon. Yep.
Oh, the ring? Look at the ring.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. This is varnish. It's just really old.
I did. Oh, unfortunately, after filming the sun halo, it affected my camera lens for a time being and overexposed my videos and photos. We get our first glimpses of Halibut Cove. So cool. Located on the cliffs of the north side of the island is a unique clifftop lighthouse with stunning views of Kachemak Bay. You can book a night or two there and stay secluded. It's only a 10-minute walk from the lighthouse to the community below it. Oh, wow.
Thea's father and a few of our other locals, and it's her lighthouse. And it is a rental underneath. It's very small. Big national. Anyway, the community is
Our boat captain points out the only power line coming into Halibut Cove. With only 211 residents, Halibut Cove is a little jewel tucked away in Alaska's first state park, Kachemak Bay State Park.
It's where the restaurant crew lives.
Oh, cool.
Restaurant people live in those little.
Danny J offers 2 dinner excursions
Right?
out to Halibut Cove daily, a lunch cruise and a
That's the
dinner
one I
cruise.
told you looks so big. Who lives in that big house over there?
That used to be the Quiet Place Lodge. After you eat, there's about a quarter-mile boardwalk you're welcome to explore, ending in a very long gravel beach. You can also check out. We ask that you don't go too far past that beach because that's private land. The Experience Art Gallery will open at 2. Wine shallot sauce, garnished with focaccia bread for some Dunkin' action. And the Saltry style oyster chef is doing a prickly pear puree jelly garnished with thinly sliced radishes. And classic is lemon with cocktail sauce. I feel like, okay, we're good, yeah.
When we initially saw this water basin, we didn't bother to look in it. I thought it was just catching the water from the sides of the rocks. Little did I know the amazing jewels it holds.
It's soft, those little fishy middle. Oh, I love this one.
He's beautiful.
Oh, that one is gorgeous. Oh, and there's a little crab. He just scooted down.
Would you call these starfish or sea stars? Let me know in the comments.
You see the green shed?
Yeah.
See the moose antlers?
Oh, yeah.
Where you sit in the chair underneath.
Something else was pointed out to me. These antlers. We'll look at them a little more closely later. It's time for dinner.
For that, I'd like another one.
Black cod croquet. And they have the tacos.
Shrimp, tacos, and potatoes, and
Yum.
sausage. Uh-oh.
Thank you. Now it's time to explore the island. So they have a half-a-mile boardwalk around the area and then a small beach we get to explore. There's a coffee shop along the boardwalk. We'll check it out. From what we learned, there are 211 residents in Halibut Cove, and only 100 of these stay through the winter. The cove can only be accessed by boat or plane.
Facilities.
But once in the cove, you can walk the boardwalks to get around on foot, take a kayak or a boat, or ATV. Perfectly stacked firewood. Wonder if they have small fireplaces in their cabins. Art gallery this way. This is terrific. All of the artwork in the art gallery has been created by local Halibut Cove residents.
This is our boat captain's art. Sydney Bishop.
Oh, wow. We had no idea that our boat captain, Sydney Bishop, is also artistically talented. Aww. Wow.
These are all found on the island. All these artifacts. So many different stuff. So cool.
How beautiful, babe. That's right. Wow. That's incredible. We know those folks. We found the kiddos.
We came to the inn. Very unique the way it's designed with a 3-level.
Oh yeah, that is unique. Huh, we found the beach.
What do you think, Ange?
Well, we can sneak a peek, right?
You can't see anything except the road.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you back here.
Before our time runs out, Sandy and I are exploring. We're looking for the arch. Beautiful. We don't need no stinking arch. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. It's insanely beautiful. Wow. Since my images are overexposed, Sandy shares her photos with me. Now to hurry up and make our way back. We don't want to miss our boat. Wow, what?
Do an airdrop. Do it.
Can you, Andy?
Yep.
They're still waiting for us.
They didn't leave.
Sandy and I just got back in the nick of time. The boat is already boarding. I think these yellow rain ponchos are a true giveaway of what the ride back is going to be like. We take one last look back. They needed our shopping bag, right?
It's over my head, I'm in.
Oh, I'm telling you.
What, she grew up?
Are we going to rent our dinners?
Rent our dinners, yeah.
Enjoyable conversations keeps everyone calm. back in calm waters in the harbor.
He keeps us laughing. That's for sure.
What a great time we had today. Our captain, Sydney Bishop, and her first mate did an incredible job. We are extremely grateful.
Oh my God, did you get wet? Sorry, Bob. Sorry.
After an enjoyable day, it's time to head back to the Jeep. Wow, with this gray sky, these flowers are popping. Man, gorgeous. The flowers here in Alaska are just incredible. I am just so blown away by them all. After this amazing experience, it's time to relax by a nice cozy fire. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We thank you for watching. God bless and have a great day.